Hi all, Renee here. I just realized when I was going through some things that I did not put together the September cut above layout kit from the Craft with Heart subscription service. I can't believe I didn't. I love this layout. It's so pretty. So here's what you get in a kit. This is, like I said, the September kit. You can buy it either monthly, you can buy it every 4 months and get 4 months at a time, or you can pay for a year in advance, and that way you don't have to pay any shipping. And you get you get free prints from Persnickety Prints. And unfortunately, I don't know what I do with my little card, but you do get those as well. But that's only with the year kit if you buy the year in advance. And then you'll get a shipment every 4 months. So here's a September one. It will make two-page layouts, so 4 pages total. You get your pictures, instructions. You get your photo placeholders for all the pictures. And while I put these together exactly as they're designed, don't feel like you have to do that. If something doesn't work for you and you want to change it, go for it. I do that sometimes too, so make it your own. So here's stickers for layout 1 and the stickers for layout 2. Put those aside. And we have some die cuts. We have 1 sheet of die cuts for layout 1, and it looks like 1 sheet of die cuts for layout 2. And then here are our background papers. I love it when they do this. It makes life so much easier. And then these are the background papers for layout 2. And then you also get, I'm gonna put those aside, you also get your page protectors that you need. So that's great. Our page protectors are awesome. So I always like getting those. So I will go ahead and put some music on and get started with this kit, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll be back at the end to talk a little more about it. Enjoy. turned out really cute. How fun were these? Now, something that they did differently on this one that I haven't seen them do before is where this banner is, they actually put the dotted line so you knew exactly where to put it. That is awesome. I love that. And this, even though it was really skinny, it actually came out really nice. It's a really heavy, thick sticker, so that really helps it keep its shape. So this turned out really cute, and I love this with the little 3x3 photos, and they're a little bit offset, so just play around with it until you get it the way you think you like it. One thing I did forget is I forgot to put that sticker right here. I'm not going to bother with it. It looks fine without. I think that turned out really cute, and do leave the tops of these open if you don't already have your photos. If you already have your photos, just go ahead and slap it all down. And then this other one turned out really cute as well. I'm kind of thinking I may have pictures for this already in my head. And it all came from this title, Love This View. We've been on some really awesome vacations, and there are a couple of views from vacations that I just absolutely love. So I think I have some pictures that'll go on this layout. But this one turned out really nice as well. There's a lot of tucking, so make sure that you leave things open for them to be tucked. This sticker, when you're putting down the purple, put the sticker down at the same time, because I did have to pry that up a little bit to get the sticker to fit underneath. That gives, when you put things behind other things, or even hang them off the edge of the paper and then cut them off, which I could have done, it gives the layout just a lot more of a dynamic feel, rather than just flat and everything's just stuck on. Oh, and speaking of flat, I am choosing to do my layouts flat. I'm starting to get, my albums are starting to get really fat, so I need to conserve some space. So I didn't use any foam tape or other kinds of dimensionals on this, which you very well could. That would probably look really cute with this banner. Well, they also give you this die cut so that you can pop this up, and it has a shadow of the printing underneath it. I'm just going to save this and use it on something else. I think it'll be a really nice embellishment for a card. So I'm just going to save that for something else. So I hope that you like this today. This was the Craft with Heart September kit. And if you have any questions about the subscription, anything else, I do have a link below for my shop so you can read all of the stuff. But if for some reason you still have other questions, or you just want to leave me a comment, please do so. I love to read them, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. And if you're not already a subscriber, I hope you think about subscribing. I'd love to have you come by from time to time. And I hope you all have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.